Hi everybody, this is CR number 5, helper video number 2. It says given that A is equal to 48 and B is equal to A divided by 8 plus 3, what is the value of B? All right, first thing we have to do is this. We're going to take a look at our formula down here. I'm going to write the equation B equals A divided by 8 plus 3. Now we know what the value of A is because it tells us right up here in the problem that A is equal to 48. So now when I rewrite this equation right underneath, I'm going to go ahead and replace A with 48 because that is what A is. So I now have 48 divided by 8 plus 3. Well, order of operations tells me that division comes before addition because if you remember PEMDAS that most people know, I'm getting to it right now, so I'm a very slow writer. There's division right there, and that comes before addition. So we are going to divide first, 48 divided by 8, and that is 6. So 6 plus 3 is going to be equal to B, and 6 plus 3 is 9, so B equals 9. And in this situation, it's letter B. So go ahead and give that one a try.